What's up YouTube? Just came back from JB Hi-Fi. They had a crazy sale on. We've got a very awesome day planned up ahead. Nice weather in Auckland City. And we're going out whitewater rafting. We've got a new GOPRO Hero 6. So we're gonna unbox this thing first. Shove a mount on to this helmet. And then we're gonna be on. This is my first GoPro and there's no better time to own one of these than summer. This was on sale at JB Hi-Fi for $689. I read a bunch of reviews and the slight bump up from the Hero 5 price was worth it to me because you get a lot better quality. Less audio noise, better image sharpness. See you there. Before we go on this rafting journey, we got to make a quick stop at Kingston Noodles. It's the only place open today. Let's get in there. This place is actually the original company to Hungry Head. Generally they serve a bunch of egg noodle soups, a couple of rice dishes as well. Good price. Noodle dishes arrived. Got the beef tendon egg noodle soup. This place is pretty famous in the Asian community. Been around for many years. Egg noodles, same as Hungry Head. Just finished our meal here at Kingston Noodle. Got some energy for whitewater rafting. That's our next stop. Let's go. Got to get on this raft.
Everybody piles up. Good boy.
Oh, bro! You almost killed me! Oh! Man overboard! Man overboard! Man overboard! Legs up, bro! Kawabanga!
Decided you want to climb out. No, get the moon, go to the moon.
Yeah.
Good Lord, guys. Everyone, go ahead and jump out of that boat. Everyone, if you get out the side.
That's freaking awesome. Way more fun than I expected. Yeah. We're leaving Vector Wero Park. That was a pretty awesome time. Gonna head over for a delicious barbecue out at Sharon's. Alright, we're at Sharon and Francis's place in Karaka. Check out that view. Got the barbecue going right behind me. Let's go over there and check out what's cooking right now. Ooh. That nice spread on here. What are you eating, Diana? Salad?
And sausage.
It's always nice when Sharon and Francis have us over at their place. I mean, check this place out. It is absolutely amazing. You're just sitting back here enjoying our delicious dinner while we're treated to this beautiful view of the South Auckland sunset. A lot of people always ask me, why don't I move overseas? And it's exactly days like this where I can go, you know what? It's actually really, really hard if you move overseas to get days with all your friends together in one place, enjoying a beautiful barbecue and just hanging out. If you guys like what you saw today, hit that like and subscribe button. There's going to be plenty more content to come. I want to show you guys a lot more of this beautiful country, show you guys a lot more of what we're doing in the summer. There's going to be a lot more food, a lot more travel. So yeah, leave a comment if there's anything specific that you do want to see. Hope you enjoyed it.